Hello, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to read Who Can Fix the Skidsteer? Adventures at Fog Hollow Farm. Welcome to Fog Hollow Farm. I'm Farmer Monica. And this is Farmer Brian. We use the skidsteer to do work on the farm, like move hay bales. Oh no, the wheel is broken. Farmer Brian is upset. Can January the chicken fix the skidsteer? No! Can Dexter the cat fix the skidsteer? No! Can Gemini the sheep fix the skidsteer? No, Gemini the sheep can't fix the skidsteer, but he sure is cute, isn't he? Can Willow the goat fix the skidsteer? No. Can Fudge the alpaca fix the skidsteer? No, he can't fix the skidsteer. Can Monica the farmer fix the skidsteer? Yes, yes she can. Farmer Monica fixes the skidsteer. Farmer Brian is happy. The skidsteer is fixed. Farmer Brian can do his work now. Brian moves the hay bale with the skidsteer. The end. Thanks for joining us at Fog Hollow Farm. See you next time.